Hello and welcome to another unboxing, and in today's video I've managed to find a Motor Show 5 pack. Now let's open it. And here it is. Now the first one is a 2017 Ford GT. It's a very interesting model. I think this will be coming out in M case or N case, so I can't wait to get that one as well. But in the meanwhile, I found this one. Damn, this is old. I didn't know it was R48. Next one, and the lamest model of them all. I can't even read what it says, but let me read off back. It's a Crescendo. Now, I've never heard of this fantasy model. Yeah, I have it. I think I'll trade this one away to the Autos collector. And the next one, Lamborghini Countach Pace Car. On focus. Oh, there it is. Nice one. Wow. Finally have another Lamborghini. And the next one, continuing the Ford GT, a 1967 model. The blue one is a 1967. The new one is a 2016. And the last one, and the queenest of them all, Aston Martin 177. And that's it for this unboxing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.